State lawmakers and local leaders are talking about Medicaid coverage and how more people should get it.
They're talking about Governor Roy Cooper's push to expand programs. Our Madison Forsey was there today and joins us now in the studio with more. Madison.
Well, this isn't the first time we've heard about Medicaid expansion from the governor. For months, it's been a major factor in his budget fight with the General Assembly. And today, state leaders met with health executives to discuss the needs of Eastern North Carolina.
It's very clear that your zip code matters more than your genetic code.
And for many, those zip codes don't include doctors' offices or hospitals.
The environment that you're born into or you live in affects your health and well-being more than your genetic code.
That's why Vidant Health CEO Dr. Mike Waldrum hosted Governor Roy Cooper and other state and local officials to talk about closing the Medicaid gap.
They're falling in this gap where they want to keep working, they want to make money, but right now they're making too much to qualify for Medicaid. But there's a cutoff for the Affordable Care Act where they don't qualify for the federal subsidies.
Expanding coverage could mean more health care jobs and a healthier population.
You know, it's just a travesty, frankly, when a maternity unit closing means that those mothers and babies have to come somewhere else and maybe to a hospital that's already overcrowded.
Yet the fight for expanded coverage is being met with pushback.
Health insurance is, it's not a necessity today because you can go to the emergency room and get care when you need it.
Some lawmakers suggest additional changes should be made to the current expansion proposal. This could include insurance premiums or work requirements.
But you got to have some skin in the game. If you don't have skin in the game, you're not as apt to take care of yourself, I think.
At this point, health officials say it's up to lawmakers to make a change to help rural areas across the state.
Our expectation is that our elected officials help us by understanding the issues and then helping craft solutions.
Representative Humphrey adds Medicaid expansion isn't a common concern from people in his district. He says that he and other House Republicans are willing to compromise and would sit back down with the governor at the negotiation table. In the studio, Madison Forsey, 9 on your side.